Today I'm making a shepherd's pie stuffed sweet potato for dinner. I'm just going to chop a little bit of onion here. I'm not the best at this. Not like those chefs on TV. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my pan here. And I'm going to add my chopped onion. I have a little bit of oil in here, and I've added my chopped onion, and I'm just going to cook that on a medium heat. So it's a little bit golden or translucent. I've just added some water, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of textured vegan protein. You can add ground beef if you prefer. And I'm just going to let that cook a little bit. I'm adding a half a mushroom bouillon cube dissolved in water. And I have some frozen peas here. I'm going to stir that in as well. And I'll just put a little bit more water. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let that cook a little bit while I get the potato into the microwave. Well, the sweet potato is ready to go into the microwave. The microwave's up here. I have poked it a few times with a fork. Well, the meat mixture is ready. I'm just waiting for the potato to cook. Well, the sweet potato is done. It took 6 minutes in my microwave. It's quite a big potato. I guess it'll depend on how big the potato and what your microwave is like. So you cut a piece off the top and you scoop out some of the potato. It's hard to get out. And you leave around a 1/4 inch edge. Well, I've scooped out the potato, and now I'm going to take this potato that I scooped out and mash it. Fork over here might do a little better. And add a little bit of margarine, regular or vegan, whatever you wish. Now, I'm just going to add some of the meat mixture into the bottom of this. It's probably enough for 2 potatoes, but I can just save it and use it for something else. Then I'm going to top it with some of the sweet potato I mashed. Whoops. that's what it looks like. And I'm going to put it under the broiler. I've moved the tray up in the oven. And I'm going to put it under in the broiler just for a few minutes. Well, supper is ready. It's a very simple meal. You can use a white potato or a sweet potato. And you just make like a shepherd's pie filling. And you stuff it, broil it for a couple of minutes, and you're done. It's simple, but very good. Just want to cut it and show you the inside. There you are. Well, I'm going to enjoy this for my supper. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for a simple meal.